Hey everybody, so today we're going to make some cheese stuffed, bacon wrapped brats. Start out, just take your favorite brat, whatever kind that is, these are just some regular ones here. Go and put you a good cut in the casing, right down the middle of it. Once you've done that, just kind of make an indentation there in the middle. I just got some regular old mozzarella cheese sticks. Colby Jack works great with this too. Go and stuff it in there and start to form it back around. I like to kind of take the sausage and make a seal. The bacon's going to help seal it too. Just give us a little extra. Let's get the rest of them done. Now I'm gonna hit the outside of that bacon with a good dusting of my barbecue rub. I got the smoker fired up about 275. Let's go get them on. So we got our bacon wrapped brats on. Let's cook them up till they're all the way done. I got them toward the smoke box. That way that bacon might get a little crisp to it. Let's go and bring these bad boys in and get ready to serve them. So our brats are all done. Let me tell you, they're gonna be delicious. Let's go and cut in one. See how we did. Take a look at that cross section. Gooey cheese, brats juicy. It's perfectly done. So of course you're gonna serve these up on hot dog buns, but I promise you, you cook these, and the first one you're gonna eat just like this. It's going for that bite. Mm. This right here, now that's where it's at. Check out my SPG, my barbecue rub, and many more products over at bbqrubs.com.